Hello, and welcome to Financial Fluence, where we'll teach you the most up-to-date strategies and tricks for making money online. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to be notified every time a new video is uploaded. Also, don't forget to leave a comment down below. In today's video, we'll talk about 10 morning habits that millionaires do every day. Number 1. Distraction-free living. Do you watch TV or social media during breakfast? You may find the mornings distracting. A few seconds on your phone may seem innocuous, but the rich disagree. Millionaires don't eat breakfast distractedly, for example. Watching TV in the morning is fun, but it's bad for you. When you watch TV, your concentration is broken. Because it starts your morning with lethargic behaviors, it leads you down an unproductive path. Morning distractions make it harder to focus. Developing productive routines leads to a more positive outlook. Poor habits will surround you with negativity from the start of the day. So, what do millionaires do in their spare time? Instead of zoning out, millionaires utilize their mornings to open up their thoughts during breakfast. They take the time to savor their food, reflect on the day before, and set goals for the day ahead. They use these peaceful times to heighten their attention rather than zoning out. Number 2. Routine exploration. A millionaire is created rather than born. To become a millionaire, you must devote your life to the pursuit of knowledge mastery and perfection, which necessitates continuous and ardent learning. You must cultivate fearless curiosity and provide your brain with an endless supply of ideas. But how do you manage it all on a day-to-day basis? It's a lot simpler than it appears. Every morning, millionaires improve their minds by learning something new. They set aside an hour to learn about a new subject, and they read, listen to podcasts, and get creative during that time. They'll read the news or delve into any topics that interest them. It may seem scary to try new things, and it may seem out of your reach, but millionaires don't learn everything immediately. They expand their knowledge by making discovery a regular habit, and you can follow suit. Number 3. 3 most important priorities. Do you have a long list of things you want to get done? Does your to-do list go on and on? Many of us have an abundance of goals, habits, and ideas. We have a crowded mind, dispersed dreams, and a desire to achieve everything. When we endeavor to achieve everything, though, we end up with nothing. Even the smartest person can't achieve 10 dreams at once. You'll lose energy and perform poorly. Millionaires have simple goals and to-do lists. Instead of pursuing everything, millionaires focus on 2 or 3 goals. How can you adopt the pure mindset? Grab a pen and a piece of paper first thing in the morning. Write down 2 things you will do today. Not things you should or wish to do, but 2 things you will accomplish. These 2 tasks are your only goals. If all else fails, you'll finish them. You're more confident now that you've cut your priorities and have a clear path to follow. Instead of making long, rambling to-do lists, think like a millionaire. Number 4. Keep a journal of your dreams. How frequently do you recall your dreams? The majority of people forget their dreams in a matter of seconds. However, dreams may teach you a lot. They can educate you more about your emotions, force you to think more deeply about your past, and broaden your creativity by introducing new combinations and connections. Because dreams are so valuable, millionaires keep a dream notebook in which they jot down as many facts as they can remember as soon as they wake up. You may not remember much from your dreams at first, recalling only a few random aspects, but your dream recall will improve with practice. Your diary entries will get more thorough, and you will gain insight into your own mind. Number 5. Create your flow. This ritual is a state of mind that stimulates your brain throughout the day. Not an activity or a healthy habit. Hyper-intelligent people organize their daily routines with their brains in mind. They use the mornings to achieve flow. Flow builds on itself like momentum, but there's a key distinction. Flow boosts performance by turning off unused brain areas. When you're in flow, your anxious and scared brain areas turn off. You ignore distractions and make impulsive decisions. You stimulate more productive and rational brain areas. Finding your flow improves concentration and performance. Millionaires improve their flow via daily practice. The beginning may be difficult. If you do, tailor your schedule to your strengths and preferences to achieve effortless productivity. Number 6. Nourishing your brain. Millionaires drink healthy tea mixes to increase memory and focus. According to a 2008 study published in the Journal of Biological Psychology, green tea has a multitude of neurological benefits. It improves cognitive performance, reduces mental tiredness, and even speeds up reaction time. Millionaires recognize the value of these benefits, which is why they incorporate tea consumption into their daily regimen. You will feel nourished and ready to perform every day if you energize your brain. Exercising and eating well are other excellent ways to ensure that you feel well throughout the day. Make it a point to incorporate good exercise and eating habits into your daily routine. This will ensure that your mind and body are ready for the tasks of the day. Number 7. Write about yourself. Journaling is a well-researched practice with a variety of uses. It's a place where you may write down and save your thoughts, as well as discharge all the ideas that are flying around in your head. This is priceless to a millionaire. Their notebook becomes a repository for vital thoughts, feelings, and viewpoints. It's a valuable resource that people utilize to get through the day and learn more about themselves. So, set aside 15 minutes to write down your ideas. You don't have to say anything remarkable, and your notebook doesn't have to be shared with anyone. A notebook can help you unwind your thoughts and start your day on a positive note, even if you have nothing to say. Number 8. Elite mastery. Millionaires don't want to be good at something. They want to be great, exceptional, and that takes a lot of time. Gaining a working mastery of any skill or subject takes around 10 years. But you won't know everything even after 10 years. You'll compete with the greatest, but you'll constantly be learning. Mastery is the bare minimum for a billionaire, which is why millionaires strive for it every day. They never allow anything to get in the way of their goals. They put in the time and effort necessary to achieve success in their industries. Make mastering a part of your everyday routine in your own unique way, and you'll grow better and be better until you're the best. Number 9. Day stacking. How do millionaires organize? Every millionaire isn't organized. In a busy environment, creative minds thrive. However, creative clutter is not the same as a disaster. So how do millionaires handle their mess? The Daily 3 technique is one of them. Put 3 items back in their proper places every day, no matter what. Your purpose isn't to tidy the entire house. You probably won't notice a difference, but you'll slowly reduce clutter, creating a less stressful environment. If you do this daily, your mess won't get out of hand. Now, this trick does more than clean. It's another millionaire lifestyle habit. It's called day stacking. Today, day stacking is straightforward. A lot of tiny things done often exceed a few big ones. In other words, don't multitask. Do not reserve your mess for one big cleaning day. Chip away at your work to avoid a mountain of stress. And number 10, the 1% rule. Many millionaires use the 1% rule like day stacking. It's an efficient way to learn by making small, frequent improvements. Alright, let's say you want to learn a new subject. You could try to learn everything about that subject in one day. But instead of growing your knowledge, you just tire yourself out. After 24 hours, you're so exhausted, you lose interest entirely. You'd be surprised how often this happens, so don't fall into this trap. Don't try to increase your knowledge by 100% in one sitting. Instead, strive to improve by 1%. Yeah, get a little bit better every single day. Every day, learn a little bit more or go a little bit further. Individually, each improvement will not look like much, but altogether, you're growing by leaps and bounds. And that's all. If you enjoy similar stuff, check out my other videos. And if you like it, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification bell. If you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment down below, and I'll see you in the next video.